In this video, we will show you how to transform multiple nodes and some interesting uses of such transformations. Suppose you have this leaf design and you want to change the direction of these leaves. This whole design is one object, so you cannot simply rotate one leaf. You can only do this by editing the leaf nodes. Select the nodes that you want to transform. For the scope of this demonstration, let's move the rotation center first. Place the mouse over any corner of the highlighted rectangle until you see a rotate sign. Click and drag to rotate the selected nodes. It's pretty much like moving a normal leaf around. In the same way, you can edit the other leaf. Just like that, you have improved the appearance of the leaves. Additionally, the multi-node transform functionality can be combined to the array tool to create amazing effects. Let's see an example. First, select the object and apply rectangular array. Adjust the array options if you like and apply the operation. Notice that if the Clone Objects option is enabled when applying the array, you can easily adjust the whole pattern. Edit any of the leaves, and the change is applied to all clones. Just like that, you can create and edit amazing repetitive designs.